dredge them flour first to take the moisture off of the cutlet.
Do you cut the chicken?
Yeah,
You make it.
and that's the thickness you make them to make them proper.
So how many can you get out of one breast?
This is 3 breasts right here.
Wow. But how many can you get out of one breast?
Well, I don't know. I haven't counted them.
Oh, I see. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Then you put it in
And
the.
then they put in the egg. Watch.
Right.
Then you just drain it off. Just hold it up until it drains off. Then I have the seasoned breadcrumbs over here with cheese, parsley, garlic salt, garlic, garlic pepper, whatever. And then I taste it just to make sure it's okay. And there's Asiago cheese in there. Watch this now. Then you coat this. When you coat it, you push down on it a little. And I'll show you what the cutlet is supposed to look like before it goes
The
in the
secret.
pan.
The pat is the secret.
There it is, right there. See? It's not overbreaded. Here's another one. Here's the big one.
Very good. Okay, thank you. It's Pac's secret breaded chicken cutlets.
And I'm draining until it drains off. Then I put it in here.
Stuff on you pat it. Flip it. And you pat it. Flip it. And you pat it.
Yeah, you keep doing that
Flip
until
it.
it's